Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to do the mileage correction for the Jaguar XF 2012. So I've got everything set up here. So I've got open the cluster and I've got my EEPROM plugged in to the chip. Let's go to Digi Pro. Just an advice, make sure your data is saved before you go ahead and reprogram. So you're going to select in the menu Jaguar XF. So it tells you need to have the plug-in plugged in, and it'll tell you whether your car will need an EEPROM or whether it's a usual ODB cable. So let's go ahead. So once the data is read, it should show the old mileage on this cluster. So I had this cluster replace, so we'll be setting it to the old mileage. So we set new mileage. So just for example, let's see if we read, well, we're able to write. So just remember this is in km, so kilometers. So just gonna make sure you have your figures converted before you go ahead and input all the information. So just click confirm. And that should have written value. So let's go and check whether that's worked or not. So wrong menu, let's go back to car and truck. Put the Jaguar XF. There you go guys, you can see the verification that the old mileage has been done. Thank you. So just